Well, dear friends, I take here the explanation of Huygens theory. Huygens theory of progression of light wave, light. In 1678, Huygens explained the propagation in 1670, Huygens explained the progression of light with the help of following postulates. Number one, according to Huygens theory, there exists a medium in the whole universe which he called as luminous. Sorry, 1 minute. Luminiferous, sorry. Luminiferous ether. This medium is at rest. Luminiferous means which produce light and which is bright medium ether at rest. This medium has low density and high elasticity very high elasticity. The speed of light is given by Newton's formula. V equal to under root E upon D. So this is why I first postulate that there exists a medium in the whole universe which is at rest, and luminiferous ether is given the name by him, and it has high elastic low density. Actually it is Newton formula was popular for this, and when we think that a wave travels through medium, then we can apply this formula. I am just telling what was Huygens theory, not my theory. Number 2, when a source of light is placed in this medium, then particles of medium are disturbed by light emitted by the source. These disturbed particles start oscillating with the frequency of light emitted by source. These oscillating particles, these oscillating particles are the new sources of light. The wave produced by these new sources are called secondary wavelets. These secondary wavelets travel with the speed of original light waves falling on particles of medium. And now these secondary wavelets produce disturb other particle and so on. These secondary wavelets disturb other particle. And so on. Light keep on traveling because of these disturbances. Now, so two assumptions I told. Number one, that there exists medium ether in the whole universe which is at rest, and he called it as luminiferous ether medium, bright medium ether, which है ना. And this medium has low density and very high elasticity, and speed of wave in this medium given by again Newton's formula. Second, I told you that when source of light placed in medium ether, then particle of medium are disturbed by wave coming out of the source, and these particles start oscillating with the frequency of light falling on them, and these oscillating particles are producing secondary waves which are called secondary wavelets. They travel with the speed of original wave. So these things I told you. Now third option, postulate number 3. This is important idea. Huygens told that a surface or the locus of points which are oscillating in same phase is called wavefront. Now I want to tell you what is the meaning of phase. In class 11 you have learned equation of progressive y equal to a sine 2 pi t upon t minus x upon lambda. So this thing is called phase. It tells the direction of y. It will be positive, negative, or at any other angle. You can say like this, y equal to, there is y equal to a sine omega t, and then y dash equal to a sine omega t plus phi. So phi is a phase difference, and if y1 is in this direction, y dash, this is the phase difference. So particles which are oscillating in same direction, they are called to be oscillating in same phase. The term phase creates a lot of trouble for students. They don't understand what is phase. For learner, very difficult to understand things. I agree with it. But you must try to follow what the book says and what the teacher is telling you. Your own brain also work simultaneously, but try to understand, think and rethink. So what I say, what Huygens told about wavefront. So the locus of points oscillating in same phase. Or the surface, you can say, or the surface on which all the particles oscillate in same phase, or you can say in same direction. Is called wavefront. Wavefront, please That what I say, locus of point oscillating same phase called wavefront. You can see this when you drop water drop fall in the container having like a water drop is filled there place, and you drop a very light stone or even a drop of water, then some circles are seen on the surface, either going up or coming down. To that one circle on which all particles are either coming out or going in is wavefront. So wavefront is the locus of point which oscillate in same direction or in same phase. In science we call it as phase. For a point source of light, wavefronts are spherical. I mean, like if your point source, the wave go in all direction. So that keep on moving, na? So wave. For linear source, the wavefronts are cylindrical. Cylindrical. Normals to the wavefront are called rays. At large distance, from the source, a small part of wavefront spherical or cylindrical wavefront is treated as plane wavefront. Treated as plane wavefront. So suppose now plane wavefront. Actually suppose here is a point source and it is any wavefront at any time t, AB. Actually it is spherical, I must say here like this. Actually it is like this. Spherical wavefront. But for easiness, these are very normal. Lekin I take here only, this is like this source and a wavefront, spherical, going all around. But for sake of easiness or convenience, we take AB, the spherical wavefront at time t equal to 0. At t equal to 0. Normal to this are wavefront. Normal to wavefront are called rays. Now we want wavefront at a little time t. So what we do? Suppose speed of light is c. So c into t is the distance traveled in time t. We take different point of this wavefront. On this wavefront, all particles will be oscillating in same phase. We take different point as center and draw a sphere of this radius. Here a sphere, another sphere. All these spheres have radius ct. All these spheres have radius ct. Now we draw common tangent to all. So common tangent to all will give you two wavefronts, A dash B dash and A double dash B double dash. You please may write yourself. As point source of light, AB plane wavefront due to the source at any time t. We want to find the position of new wavefront after time t. So wave travel distance ct, taking ct as radius and different point on this wavefront as center. We draw these spheres and common tangent to all these spheres give an envelope A dash B dash and A double dash B double dash. Here A dash B dash is called new wavefront at time t. It is called forward wavefront, it is called backward wavefront. There are two drawbacks of this theory. Number one, Huygens rejected the concept of backward wavefront. This is called backward wavefront, and without any explanation. Secondly, there is no sharp boundary of these wavefront. So this way he was able to explain. Now further you get new wavefront after taking center of different point as center of this wavefront and drawing spheres. So this is something about. Now if it is plane wavefront, then normals are this way. Again, for plane wavefront, again we can find out by drawing spheres of radius ct and common tangent to them will give you new wavefront. AB here is plane wavefront, A dash B dash new wavefront. It is backward wavefront. So this is was something about Huygens theory. You please write this construction. This thing is known as Huygens construction. And sometime exam you are asked describe Huygens construction. Then you have to tell only this thing. How to find out position of new wavefront after time t. So here I have taken that as a point source of light AB any wavefront. To find new wavefront after time t, we take radius ct and different point of wavefront as center. Draw spheres and common tangent to all spheres give you two wavefront. A dash B dash as forward wavefront, A double dash B double dash as backward wavefront, and so on. So now I will take in next video the law of reflection, refraction explained by Huygens theory. Thank you.